Today, I'm going to teach you how to automatically add the name of subscribers to your Mailchimp email newsletter or campaign. This personalization feature helps your emails feel more direct and engaging, increasing the likelihood that your subscribers will connect with your content. First, head over to Mailchimp.com and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your Mailchimp dashboard where you can manage all your email campaigns and subscriber lists. Next, click on Campaigns in the left sidebar. This section houses all your email campaigns. Whether they're drafts, scheduled, or already sent, it's your central hub for creating and managing email communications with your audience. Now click Create Campaign on the top right corner of your screen and select Email from the options that appear. This initiates the process of building a new email campaign from scratch, allowing you to customize every aspect of your message. You'll need to enter a campaign name that helps you identify this email later, then click Create Email. Choosing a descriptive name is helpful for organization, especially when you're managing multiple campaigns at once. Next, customize your email audience by adding the To field along with the From information. Don't forget to add a compelling subject line that will encourage opens. Once these fields are filled out, hover your mouse over the right pane of your screen and click on Design Email. This takes you into the creative workspace where you'll build the visual content of your campaign. Select your email template or start with a blank design. Mailchimp offers a variety of pre-designed templates that can save you time, but a blank canvas gives you complete creative freedom to match your brand's style. Now add a text block to your email content where you want the name to appear. You can do this by dragging a text block from the Content Blocks panel and placing it in your desired location within the email layout. Click inside the text block and type your greeting, like "Hi," then enter a space. This is where the magic happens. To make your email personalized, you'll use what's called a merge tag for the first name by clicking the merge tag function. This feature automatically pulls each subscriber's name from your list and inserts it into the email. Click the merge tag drop-down menu, usually represented by a tag icon or an insert merge tag option in the text editor toolbar. This menu gives you access to various subscriber data fields that you can dynamically insert into your emails. Select first name for just the first name, or add the last name for full name delivery from the list. Once you've made your selection, click Save and Close on the bottom to save your settings. This ensures that every subscriber will see their own name when they open your email. Before sending, click Preview, then enter Preview mode to test with sample subscriber data and verify that names appear correctly. This step is crucial to catch any formatting issues or missing data before your campaign goes live. Finally, click Send or Schedule to deliver personalized emails with automatic name insertion. Your subscribers will now receive emails that address them by name, creating a more personal connection with your brand. By following these steps, you've successfully set up automatic name personalization in your Mailchimp campaign, making your emails feel more tailored and engaging. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.